Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the page orientation for your created presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI, and what you want to do guys is simply click into these three dots here in the top right corner of your presentation and navigate to page setup. Next, what you want to do is under presentation, select one of these page orientations like default, traditional, which is 16:9, and you will see these changes applied to all of your presentation slides or cards, or you may go with 4:3, and then you may go also for custom page orientation and select your aspect ratio below, for example from that list here, or go with 9:16 for portray if that's a presentation on TikTok or Instagram. There you go. That's how it would look like, guys. So let me go to 16:9. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.